Okay, this is a little maintenance repair video for you guys who have the fairing lowers with the push open, push close doors on them. Push to open, push to close. Okay, this is for this little piece right here. Mine went to shit on me, and I got the part. That's what it looks like. And those little tabs on either side lock it in place. Now, I tried to reach inside here and get it to push out. Then I decided I'll just take like a pliers or something, and I just gutted it. Ripped it all apart in pieces. It popped right out. It took me longer to do that to push this new one in place. Just make sure that you have it lined up properly. Just like that. And push it in and you're done. That's all I got for you. Cooch here, riding a 17 Road Glide.